this video I will continue the Karnataka CET chapter wise solutions. In that the chapter is haloalkanes, haloarenes. So we have already discussed part 1 and part 2. Now let us complete about this chapter in part 3. So let us start about. The question is here, the correct sequence of reactions to be performed to convert benzene into metabromoaniline is. Here we have to arrange the correct sequence of reactions. So here from one step to the another step, which type of a reaction follows the correct sequences. So here option A, B, C, D they have given. C they had given here. In that the answer we can say that C. The exact answer is C. So now let us know about how the answer is C, nitration, bromination, then reduction. When compared to a remaining options, this is a correct answer. So let us know how this reaction sequence is correct or not. Let us check it about. Here we are going to take benzene treated with the concentrated HNO3 plus H2SO4. So whenever we are going to add HNO3, that reaction comes under the one nitration reaction in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. Step 1, that is nitration. So the product is known as nitrobenzene. So next one, after the obtaining of nitrobenzene, we have to apply this substituted group to the bromine. That is, whenever the adding of the suspected groups is known as such type of reaction. Like here nitration, here we are substituting here bromine. So this is a step 2. This reaction is called as here bromination. So what the product we are going to obtain here already presence of nitro group. We are applying here bromination. So we are going to obtain, that is, bromine substituted to the nitro group in the position of meta. So which type of product it is? Metabromo-nitrobenzene. Metabromo-nitrobenzene. So then last step, after the obtaining of metabromo-nitrobenzene, we have to apply for this reduction step. For the reduction, we have to apply here tin in the presence of HCl. This step is known as here step 3. So this last reaction is known as reduction. So after the applying of reduction to this substituted product, what is the main product we are going to obtaining? Just to see here, there is not change in a bromine group. Here there is only changes applied in the case of nitro group. So after the applying of reduction process, here the NO2 will become so NH2. This product is known as metabromoaniline. See here, the reduction, it is nothing but there is a removal of oxygen or adding of hydrogen. That process is known as reduction. See here, the first step what it has applied here, nitration, then bromination, and last one is reduction. So the answer is C. Next question is here, the arrangement of following compounds: 1 bromomethane, 2 bromoform, 3 chloromethane, 4 dibromomethane. So we have to arrange the exact sequences in the form of increasing order of their boiling points. So here the answer is C. How it is? Because see here, 3 means here chloromethane, then next 1 bromomethane, then 4th dibromomethane, then next which one it is 2, that is bromoform. So what is the reason for this? It is nothing but here the intermolecular forces of attraction becomes stronger with the increase in the size of the molecule. So here the order of boiling points will be arranged in the formation of like this. See here, CH3Cl is less than that of the CH3Br, then CH2Br2 is less than that of the CHBr3. So here the size of the molecule, when it is increases, the boiling point also goes on increases. So the answer is C. So next question here, which of the following halides undergoes hydrolysis on warming with water or aqueous NaOH? Here the options are given here. A, chlorobenzene, that is in the formation of only one halogen is substituted, and B, C, D. Here the correct answer is D. Why it is so? Here chlorobenzene does not react with aqueous NaOH. Here whatever we are going to taking here, that is chlorobenzene, it does not react with aqueous NaOH at room temperature, but presence of aqueous NaOH at room temperature in the presence of electron withdrawing groups like NO2, that is a cyanide, at especially positions like ortho or para position, it enhances the reactivity of aryl halides towards the nucleophilic substitutions. Further, greater the number of such groups at ortho or para positions, the respective halides, the number of such groups at ortho and para positions with respective to the halogen or more reactive is the halorine. Hence 1-chloro 2,4,6 trinitrobenzene will be hydrolyzed the most on warming with water or aqueous NaOH. So the answer is D. So next question here, the compound having longest CCl bond is in the following. Here they are given in the formation of a halide group, that is halogen group, and also there is a substitution of nitro groups. Among this, which one as the correct answer for this question is B. How it is? So a small explanation for this, why and how the chlorobenzene is the exact formation of longest CCl bond. Is it having any another formation or not? Just check it about that. So here in chlorobenzene 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene and vinyl chloride, formation of double bond takes place between CCl bond due to the resonance. But in 4-chlorocyclohexene, it can formation of no such resonance takes place. Hence CCl bond length is longest in this compound. So that reason here what we have to understand that there must be takes place the resonance. See here how the bonds are going to shifted in this nature. So whenever the apply of resonance to the compound, there is a small changes could appears. See here there is a formation of electronegative group, and again it will get forms. So like this it will be get appears. As a similar in the case of 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene, how it is. So just look it out here. Cl here as it is, and here there is a substitution of nitro groups, and next here after the shifting of this there is a formation of a double bond, and here lone pair of electrons, and here positive charge, and here it has a negative charge because the bond it is going to shift it to this carbon atom, then here bond, and next is nitro groups. So this is a 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene. This similar case in a case of vinyl chloride it is also goes to appears, but our option is exact one, it is B. Next question is here. An alkyl bromide, that is X, reacts with sodium in ether to form 4,5 diethyl octane. So the compound X is what? Here the answer is D. How it is? See here, first we have to take an alkyl bromide. Here CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, here Br. So here there is a substitution of a C2H5. This is taken as X. So it must be treated with sodium in ether to form 4,5 diethyl octane. How it is? So now here you can see here, if it is treated with 2 molecules of sodium, and again we are going to take 2 molecules of alkyl bromide here, C3, CH2, CH, C2H5, and here we are going to take Br. So there is a elimination of sodium bromide. There is a elimination of sodium bromide. So the remaining here we are going to treat it in the presence of which medium here? Ether. We are going to apply ether. We are eliminated 2NaBr. So after the removal of this is also taken as X because this is the 2 molecules of alkyl bromide. So the next one, after the removal or elimination of sodium bromide, what is the remaining product is there here as well? CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. Then at which positions CH are there? Here CH and here CH. There is a C2H5, C2H5. If you are not having a clarity, here once again I will write here CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. So here there is a substitution of C2H5, C2H5. Then what is the name of this compound? Is called as here 4,5-diethyl octane. How it is? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbon atoms. So oct, at which positions ethyl groups are there here? At 4th and 5th position. So what is the compound name here? 4,5 diethyl octane. Diethyl octane. So the answer is D. CH3, CH2 twice, CHBr, CH2, CH3. So this is the answer. So here next question is, how many chiral carbon atoms are present in 2, 3, 4 trichloropentan? Here the options are given here 4, 1, 2, 3. So here in the compound that is 2, 3, 4 trichloropentan. So here just I will write first the compound. So here Cl, Cl, Cl. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 2, 3, 4 trichloropentan. So in this compound, how many chiral carbon atoms are present here? The number of chiral carbon atoms are 2 here. That is at which positions here? At 2 and 4 positions. Why it is so? Here chiral carbon atoms are asymmetric carbon atoms. That is carbon atom bonded to 4 different atoms or group of atoms in the molecule is called as chiral carbon or stereocenter or asymmetric carbon atoms. So that here the number of chiral carbon atoms are 2. So the answer is C. So this is the haloalkanes and haloarenes KCET questions answers with explanations. If you have any doubts, please comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.